Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to OPPO A94 5G. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both smartphones and tap on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, select Open. After that, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Then select Receive on OPPO and Send on Realme. Following that, you need to tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go into Photos category, select only one of them, tap on Send and click Got it. Now on OPPO, choose No Thanks and close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by using this scanning icon on OPPO, choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive. As you can see now, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!